If you are working in some project with different stakeholders and you have some problems in collaboration process, you need this video. So don't miss it and watch it until end. Let's go. This is Jawad Hamidi, and in this channel we upload weekly tutorials about BIM and related softwares like Revit, Enscape, Unreal Engine and other kind of BIM software. So don't forget to like and subscribe us and share this video with your friends and colleagues. And you can also activate the notification bell to be the first person who will notify from our latest videos. Maybe you have some project with many stakeholders and you want to get review from them, but they don't have any Revit files or Revit software, or they can't work with some complex softwares. With the usage of 3D Shared view feature of our Revit software, we can do it very easily and we can make this workflow very smooth. Let's go to the screen share and let me show you how to do that. Okay, let's think we have modeled this project and we are going to send it to our client to see the completed work, and now he or she can pay us and we will be happy, and then we can deliver our file. Or for example, we are architects or we are structural engineers and we are going to share our files with someone on the site or someone that doesn't have Revit, but he or she should check our model. You just need to go to the 3D model, but before everything, a reminder, you have to have the update of Revit 2021, or you have to have the earlier version of Revit, for example 2022. Then you should go to the Collaborate tab, and from here click on Shared View, and a new window will pop up, and then you just need to click on New Shared View. We can delete this. I've created a little bit error here. You can click on New, and now Revit says tell us that we need to save it before creating sharing. Let's save it. For example, let's save it on our desktop, and let's create another new shared view for this project. Click on New Shared View, and you just need to make a name for it. For example, Test English, and then click on Share. And after some time, you will get a message here that it will be upload your model on the web, and also it will make the process of making lighter of the file for our browser viewer. After finishing off the process of uploading and making our file lighter for browser, you will see this message. You can close it, and from here you can click on this option here, and you can copy the link, and then you can paste it for yourself, or the main purpose of this work is to send this link for your client, for your co-worker, or any person that is going to check your model. They should just paste the file, paste the link on their browser, and they can view our model in Autodesk Viewer. They can measure, they can mark up, and also they can comment on our files. The great feature here is commenting, that I love it about this feature of Revit and Autodesk software. Here that the other people can comment, but the tip here and reminder here, these links will be expired after 30 days. So after 30 days, all of the comments will be expired, and you just need to create another shared view.
So be careful about losing your comments. You can see the model here. You can use this option, orbit, pan, zoom. Also, you have a great feature here, which is first person. You just need to click on it, and now you can be as a human and check your file. Very nice. And also your client can do it too. And the other feature, other point of this way is it is completely free. And if you have the it doesn't need a Revit license. You just need a Revit license for creating it, but for viewing it, you don't need that anymore. And also, you can, for example, your coworker can walk here and they can measure this door. And let's see. Let's assume that they didn't like this. And now they can do a markup here. Also, they can save it. Also, they can add comment here. For example, this, I'm going to create another comment for here. For example, change the door size. And we can click on post. And after creating these comments from each side, from your coworkers or anyone else that you have shared your link with them, when you go to the Revit model, you just need to click on refresh here. You just need wait a little bit. Sorry for the cut here. I had a network connection. After refreshing, you can see the number of comments that have been made from anyone that you have shared the model with them. And now you can go to the comments, and now you can see the comments, you can see the viewports, and also for more detail, you can click on them and see them in the browser too. Okay, that's it. I have some network connection and the thumbnails haven't updated yet, but you can see them clearly if you have no network connection.
You saw how easy it is to create 3D shared views in our Revit project and make our collaboration workflow much smoother. I hope this video was helpful for you, so don't forget to like this video and ask your questions in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe us and share this video with your friends and colleagues. I will see you on the next session.